I'm gonna be painting this satin black. It's been drying all night. So we'll see how it looks when it's all done. I'll put the first coat on in a second. I'll show y'all the interior of the upcoming Batmobile. Got it all stripped out again. Still gotta paint the dash all black. I'm gonna need a locksmith to open that door because it's stuck locked. Gotta paint the white parts in the back panels. And there's the headliner. It's Batman. So I gotta get the visor sewn shut. Visors look like Batman wings, but they're put away for now. Got the hammer ratchet shifter. And hooked up, just mount it. So that's the interior for now. Third time redoing it. Got the outer tie rod off last night. Gotta get that inner off when I get the tool. I'm still working on getting this control arm off. And how stubborn bolts are. So let's get to this sway bar painting. Got all this stuff for sale from the 4Lug setup. There's no brakes on it though. I'll throw all that crap away because I ain't using it. But the rear end could be redid. I was gonna keep it to restore it and practice, but ring and pinion gear, I don't know how to set all that up. I don't have all the right tools to do that, but it's here for sale if anybody want it. 7.5 4Lug. Got some 96 front struts here. I think they're pretty good. ABS lines for sale. A 4Lug setup for sale. Spindles, rotors, drum brake covers, dust shields, alternator. I only been used 3 months before I upgraded it. The starter's good still. Just upgraded it to a mini starter. Upper and lower control arm stock. Struts are no good though. Struts are no good. No good. Not for sale unless you want them. Let's get to the paint. Put 2 good coats of satin black. I think it'll be good enough. It's a sway bar. Not to be perfect, but looks a lot better. A lot better. Just gotta order the polyurethane bushings and all that. Put it back up. When it's dry, I put 2 coats of clear and be done. And something else to put away. Calipers to put away, bagged and put away. The rotors are bagged and put away. I still got interior pieces ready to paint black primer. Let this dry, and then I'll do the clear. Anybody need any visors done, door panels redid, headliner done? Let me know. It'll be cheaper to order it new. It's whatever you want. sun visors, door panel, headliner restoration. Let me know what you need. I got one good coat of clear on. I'm gonna put one more and call it done. Front sway bar restoration. Good enough to me. Put it away until I'm ready to put it back on the car. So there y'all go.